welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be playing Roblox Jailbreak. So yeah, let's get into it. Sorry about the last few videos. It hasn't had sound because my mic was broken. So yeah, but we're just gonna do a grinding video with my brother. So yeah. If you guys have any video ideas or somehow contact me and then or like message me on Roblox, or if you see me in a game, then just tell me if you have any video ideas so then I can do them. So yeah. Okay. Reach. So he left. Post Malone getting in. Okay. Yeah. The first what you want to do is grab a army Volt Biker army heli is best. So yeah, I get donut. Okay, yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, hope everybody's having an amazing day right now. So yeah, let's see over here. Go grab army heli since if like one of your friends is on mobile and they don't want to use Volt Bike, then just use army heli, or any heli really works. So first what you want to do is go to museum, if it's open or not. It should open pretty quick. Yeah, Post is on mobile. So let's see here. Yeah, hopefully we can hit 30 subscribers pretty soon. We just started like a week ago, so I don't expect to like get above like 1,000 subscribers in like a week. That would be crazy. Like, you're crazy if you think you're gonna get 1,000 subscribers in a week. Like, even I know some people, they've been on for like a year now and they don't even have like 1,000. They don't even. Like, the people that have like a lot of subscribers, they've been around for a long time and they do good content and stuff. So yeah, let's see here. Is Post gonna pull soon? Yeah, I'm trying to find a time to grind since there's a time limit on my computer. So yeah, like I tried to use my time wisely. Like, I guess I'll quit maybe Arsenal for now. Like, I'll see. So yeah, Post get on. Let's see here. Yeah, then you guys don't know power play. If you guys want to get a jetpack, you can. It's just useless for me on PC. I'm a PC player. I never play on mobile. Like, rarely I play on mobile. So yeah. Let's see here. Over here we have power plants. So yeah, just do the puzzle. Asimo. Okay. Post isn't robbing. That's fine. More money for me. I'm gonna stay broke. So yeah. Let's see here. If you guys want me to use the mic, then just tell me. Or I know the comments are turned off. I don't know how to turn them on since like I'm new to YouTube. So yeah. Let's see. My friends joined. Yeah. Okay. Should probably close the VIP if a lot of people are coming in. We'll close it so nobody can get in. Maybe. So let's see over here. And then if bank is open, you want to go there if it's open. If it's not, then just wait for something to open, like open up some safes. Okay. What's my dream item? Probably like something super expensive. Like, I'll take really any like good item, like the Yum Face, Dominus Ball, some expensive face like Beast Mode. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So then there's like a bunch of different grinding strats, but yeah, so yeah. Okay, cargo train. Yeah, so you can grind in VIP or public. I would recommend a small public if you don't have a VIP. But VIP would be my first choice. And just to think, if you're grinding levels and you don't want to go in a VIP, it takes so longer to go in a VIP or to grind levels in a VIP. I learned that last night. So yeah, just thinking of video ideas to do. Oh, since he doesn't own a heli, I'll just open up that. Okay, yeah, we'll just use a Tesla. I couldn't think of the name for a second. Yeah, Posty's only on level 10 because he doesn't grind. So yeah. Yeah, his dream item is an Ice Valk, so yeah. That's a pretty good item. I would like to maybe get like Playful soon, Super Happy Face, maybe a Bubble Trouble soon, maybe I'm thinking. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully in the fall I should be at 100 mil, just since I don't grind as much, but I'm gonna try before the summers got up. I'm gonna try to hit like at least 60 mil, or I'm gonna try to start grinding a lot, or go try hard mode, no life. Yeah, last night I stayed up to like 12:30 playing Roblox too. I don't know why I did, but yeah. For some reason I stayed up last night. I always wake up early, I don't, unless tell me it's like 6:30, 7 o'clock early. For a lot of people, they probably sleep like till 8, 9 o'clock. Like that's late. 9 o'clock to me is late. This is my opinion. I'm always used to waking up early. Like I rarely sleep late. Like rarely. So yeah. Okay, let's see here. If you guys want me to do a video with anybody, or if any of you guys want to be in the video, then just tell me, okay? Let's see here. Go over here. Yeah, so yeah. Let's see. Oh no! Yo, yes, we made it. It seems like the past like month or two, the updates, it seems like when you pull the lever it stays like longer, like like you have a longer time to do it, because like when I used to do it I always failed, like honestly. So yeah, and then you just kind of want to repeat this. So after you go to okay, so that if okay, PP or power plant. Okay, he's getting jetpack, so yeah. Let's see here. Server's at 103 mil. So yeah. It would be nice to get 103 mil someday, but you never know. If I could, I would no life to like 100 mil, then like stop grinding. I'm not sure. Once school starts, like I'm not gonna have really any time to grind, so yeah. Let's see here. Do a little bit of that. Do a little bit of this. So yeah. Rep cargo train. Let's see see how far away. Okay. So 65k away from next K. I was trying to get before before summer before summer I grinded 500k a day before summer, but for some reason now I don't grind as much. Okay. Okay. Post is asking where the other guy came from. He just joined the server. Oh wait, can we make it to cargo train? Yeah, we probably won't make it, but so let's see here. Come over here. Okay, Post wants me to kick him. Nah, I would go bank, but no Post. Well, rip cargo trade test. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just let him rob it, I guess, or I guess I'll try to rob it. I won't get full, but that's okay. It's just a SEMO. Why do you do this to me? Why do you leave me in the dust? Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, okay, let's see here. Yeah, please say they don't start a fight. So you kind of just want to repeat this, right? Museum power, um, museum, and if power's open again, then go there, or bank, or if a cargo train is in map. That's my strat. I'm not sure how much it makes a day, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.